Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran that likes to make drinks and would like to share them with you. Today I'm going to take this Parrot Bay coconut rum. It is 90 proof. And I'm going to mix it with the Dr. Pepper dark berry flavored soda. 1.5 ounces of your Parrot Bay coconut rum. Top it off with your dark berry Dr. Pepper. Give that a quick stir. Hope everyone's having a great day today. You can do me a favor and smash that like button. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Chester Bloomquist. Chester passed away on November 27, 2024 at the age of 98. He served in the Navy with combat during World War II and then joined the Navy Reserves. He called Connecticut home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. I'll probably 10 out of 10. I think the coconut rums really enhance the flavors of what you put into it. And this is no exception. This is fantastic. Chester. Outstanding. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I am doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day. Chester, may you rest in peace.